Hi, I'm Steve Jacobson, the founder and CEO of Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation. If you're considering buying a house or apartment that needs remodeling work, or perhaps construction is not yet complete and you want to finish the job to your own specifications, there's a type of mortgage that can cover both your purchase price and construction costs all in one simple loan. Here's a story that shows exactly how it works.
I've been married to Greg for 26 years. We have 2 kids. I retired from San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department in 2018. My basic assignment for the majority of my time was crimes against children, although I did do patrol, detective work. I worked in the jails. My mom had been looking for a place to live on the lake, and she had been looking for years, and she found this spot here in Texas at Lake Bob Sandlin. And when we came out to visit her, we really enjoyed it, so we looked for some property and were able to find this house. The best part about the house, in my opinion, is the view. It looks over the lake. The sunsets are gorgeous. We found this house under construction. The previous owner was able to, he had basically built it. It was just rough walls. So when you walked into the house, you would see just a big open floor plan. You would have to envision on how you wanted the kitchen, the island, the fireplace wasn't finished, what you were gonna do with that. So it was very, very rough.
It was just bare drywall, and the fireplace was just the wooden frame of it. And so we had to pick the rock, our fireplace insert, the flooring.
The island wasn't here. There was nothing, no cabinets on the wall, no appliances.
We just had to finish an unfinished house.
The prospect of trying to complete it, I didn't find it scary. It was more like, what do you do with it? It didn't seem hard. It was fun. So obviously there was a problem and you have to get a loan. There were other banks that did not want to do the renovation loan, and then we ended up with Fairway Mortgage.
And when she came to me, I was really uncertain if we could do anything because I had heard you can't do things with incomplete construction. The banks turned her down. So when the banks turned her down, I knew at that point we had nothing to lose, so we kind of started pressing a little harder. So a renovation loan is a loan that allows you to get money, funds, to rehabilitate, remodel for a home that is already existing. The renovation loan came into play with Roxanne because we knew the home was incomplete. The house was approximately 90% complete. All of the plumbing rough in, electrical rough in was done all the way to the sheetrock. When I saw the house and I saw how pretty it was incomplete, I mean, it was amazing. Fairway's obviously got a renovation department, so I reached out to them. And when the renovation team saw the pictures, they made it a personal goal to make this happen because they saw the potential in the house as much or more than I did.
Seth was able to set us up with a renovation loan. It was interesting because when we went to the title company to sign the paperwork, the contractor that we had arranged to work with had to be there and also sign paperwork.
So you're gonna have very detailed bids from all the contractors. So each one of those have to submit a bid, and that bid has to show how much the material is and how much the labor is. So that way we know what kind of material's going in and what the cost differences are. And then as the work is done, it's inspected. As the renovation continues, there are milestones the contractors have to meet. And once those milestones are met and verified, then the renovation team will then disperse the funds.
On our end, it was a very easy process. He requested minimal documents and we were able to get him what he needed in a fair amount of time. From his end, it might have been really hard. From our end, it didn't seem, like it was so much. In doing a renovation loan, in our experience, we were able to buy the house and put money aside to do the work, but when the work was done, our house had more equity in it.
You've heard the old term fixer-upper. Those are the type of homes that work best with a renovation loan because you're taking a home that really maybe nobody wants or they don't see the potential in it. But if you see the potential in something, the renovation loan can help you fulfill that potential and ultimately make you a huge equity owner in a home.
Working with Fairway Mortgage and Seth was nothing but a positive experience. Seth was honest, he was always there for us, he was helpful. We're thankful to Fairway Mortgage and Seth for helping us finish our dream.